Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use and edit the templates that present on your Google Sheets PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit the Google Sheet templates. You can see this is a template. If you need to expand this template option, just click on this template gallery. You can see templates are categorized by personal, work and project management. You can just click any template to open it. You just double tap on the template. You can just open the template directly. So after entering the template, how to edit the template, that's the video topic. You just double tap here and you can just customize the text, and also you can just customize the color also. Just click on this and you just click on this and you can see the color can be also changed by using this option. So you can just make it, move it, cut it and everything you as usual simple. And also you can just adjust the line spacing by using this option. So you can see it's adjusting the time and also the spacing line. You can see it's automatically make its work completely. So it's simple to make this edit, and you can just use this and you can just easily edit it and just save it as your own project by clicking on this file, and you can just save it and also download it as what the file that you want. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.